you that I can't make it tonight. Was it a call? Akroma, zero call. Charlie, what day number one?
Number one. Ose number one. Ose number one. Ose number one.
Hey! It's my time of the month.
Damn it! Damn it! Damn it 3 times.
When your time will be a time near the time of the month. When animenses.
Just imagine a day. 14 for guests. Now we be banging out and you know, and that's your Friday, Saturday, dreaming you want to canake.
Yes.
After the eating, there will be another eating.
Yes.
Now you know, Kofi and I catch the baby. I'm on my period.
Hey.
Me bumansa. I'm menstruating. Sikana shit.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Beautiful people, it's that time of the day in So we bring you some great content where they circulate on the social media now. What from the VJ Park Origin? I'm in the house with my brother from Saltport.
PKB.
What's the name again?
PKB.
In full.
Parkway see ban man.
And this is Park Orange. And so, brother, what's there on the chopping board today?
So what they on the chopping board today, BC? You know we did in the whole Valentine mood, right?
Yeah, man.
We did in the Valentine mood, and Charlie, it go on. You know, those who will go out, go out. Those who go day room.
You know, right?
Yeah, but some 7 things where Ghanaian men like you, Paco Rich, Ghanaian men like you, don't want to hear on Valentine's Day.
7 things Ghanaian men don't want to hear on Val's Day.
Ghanaian men don't want to hear on Val's Day.
Like,
I get all for here for you.
Like you pick up from the 7th book of Moses or where? What be the 7 things where Ghanaian men know?
The 7 things we can take out one by one. So guys, join us, ride with us. We'll go through, but we're not gonna start from 1. If we start from 1, there's spoiler.
Yeah.
So we'll start from 7.
7.
Yes.
Take it from the top.
So the 7 things Ghanaian men don't want to hear on Valentine's Day. Guys, number 7. What did you get for me? Or what did you get me?
At top, baby. Val's Day, what did you get for me? That man summon such stuff, you know. Honestly, it sounds like nonsense where I assume. We don't want to hear such stuffs. I mean, what did you get for me?
What did you get for me?
Where money you take give me, where they ask me what did I get for you? Hey, Juma Gumu Kotokuma. What did that?
Charlie, what did you get for me?
We don't want to hear that thing.
No.
2025. We don't want to hear that thing. Not at all.
We don't want to hear. I'm crying.
Yeah. What be the next thing?
We'll go to number 6.
Men want no one here.
That's where they go on there with the shock you safe. Number 6. You should have just given me the money instead.
So you don't say we get some women, you go buy them gifts, then we'll portray their gifts in their channel. Like Oyesika inka unwan wo botuma ya as a papa.
What brainer what could be what to their brainer or be surprised no.
Oba appreciate no. You should have given me that money
instead.
Make it go give you another boyfriend because your girlfriend be somebody to in girlfriend. Charlie, that update we get them already. We get them already. And so we never go give the money to you. We now go buy
the gift for you. You go take them. If you don't go take, pack yourself.
You see that thing?
Number 5. This reminds me of my ex. My ex used to do this for me.
I'm wasam. You
your
see?
Ex.
I'm wasam. You see that thing? Say me, I go all out, get something for you. Beautiful. And you know, this thing I do some for some girl be. Me Val's the way I get some piece of land be. where I take go give him. You like, baby, let me go and give you your Val's Day presents. And I'm gonna call Saltpond Village, be friend Kuntu and Singapore. And I'm gonna call 2 acres of land. Me unveiling, yeah.
Wow.
And I'm as in a figure and anyone I'm at the man there. Charlie, this is the land that I got for you on Val's Day. Me a being a modern queen. So I they do you proper like you. Remember, we
industrious,
you know.
Oh man, I industrious man.
At least if I've given you a land, and I know that in the next few days, you know, you start building another years. This girl, they tell me, say, this thing you do, you remind me of your ex. Whoa, ex man or your land guard. You get ex where be land guard. Where go give you land.
We will give you land.
Then I break up with them where the land documents, I course make them revert the name into my mother in name self.
Simple.
We don't want to hear that thing that you remind me of my ex. Go back to your ex. So Papa and Keba side.
Number 4. Can't you see what others have gotten for their partners?
No. You understand? These things, they vex me. To the extent that me, I go out, go do something, give you. Then they tell me, say, compare. What I do, no, it not be enough. So can't you see what others are doing?
Just to Jeep. Say Jeep.
Come on, Jeep. But Jeep no be common.
It will be
common like that too. But hey, go to hell if you don't appreciate what I got for you, baby. Yeah. You understand? After all, boxers and a singlet in a young all over these years. So bet Ramadan. What be the next thing, man? No one here.
We do.
It a verse, eh?
Send me transport fare.
Oh yeah. You see that thing where when you have a date, you want to take your babe out and I spoiling
on a date, you know.
Call a some moving picky bina. You know that thing being a chilling and spoiling. Then you tell her, say, baby, American, so you just pick up some Uber then let me meet and make her pick your baby. Yeah, any baby, I'm worried my baba for when you go delay.
Yeah.
Then this woman go tell you, say, make you send him transport. Branham ko spread when you make her send you transport. Yo. And yes, serious one.
Wake up.
On your serious. What be the next thing again?
We did number 2. So gradually we get to 1. Number 2 says, you go vex.
I go vex, eh?
You go vex. I can't make it. I have work.
Gee.
After applying a date, I can't make it.
Gee.
I have work.
Imagine. We started speaking about Val's Day right after December 31st. That this year, your love on your best Amazon. Then we planned that on 14th, we go out. Quick reminders, baby. Then last minute, my baby go text me, say I can't make it. Obilukwe cousin. There is nothing else anybody will tell me where I go believe.
Yes.
If you hear that, you for sing kaboom, then Aka in song. We are taking the girls away.
We are taking the girls away. Ladies and gents, are you ready now? We are taking the girls away. When your babe tells you that I can't make it tonight, was it a call? Akroma, was it a call? Charlie, what day number 1?
Number 1. Ose number 1. Ose number 1. Ose number 1.
Hey! It's my time of the month.
Damn it! 3 times.
When your time will be a time any time of the month. When animenses.
Just imagine a day, 14 for guests. Now we be banging out and you know, and that's your Friday, Saturday, dreaming you want to candy.
Yes.
After the eating, there will be another eating.
Yes.
Now you know about coffee and I catch the baby. I'm on my period. Me bumansa. I'm menstruating. Sikana shit. We investment in that shit. Let nobody tell you that Valentine is not about sex. A rabbinate whisker. It is time for you to reap what you sowed. Because the Bible puts in there, you reap
what you sow.
So why do you reap? And when I'm about to sow, some blood ocean The ocean will turn red when I'm about to swim. No, it's unacceptable. It is a what girl. Catch her then she's on her period. Please get a VAR.
Yeah.
Verify. Ebianeti tomatoes. And also, in case if you use condom tonight, right after the section, pull it up, then show it to her. Baby, there was no leakage. There was no leakage. I don't want any unpleasant news after
November,
30 days.
After 30 days.
Yeah, pet about it. And so these are some of the things that Ghanaian men know won't hear.
Yeah, we don't want to hear.
On Valentine's Day. PKB.
Chairman.
I think Ghanaian men are wild like you. They are thinking
be,
deep now, you know.
Nonsense, no.
So this is the word for the day. Keep it straight. Let this guide your path tonight and make the right decision.
Yeah, man.
May God be with you in your fornication journey. We are out of here.
We out. Peace.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Garcia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the Rich